if si Coach Jun bibigay sa'yo yung workout na bukas di ka na makakaw. Good day everyone. So I'd like to share my journey with Coach Jun. So before, since naging client ko rin siya sa printing, pupunta siya ng shop namin and he's very eager to train me. Kaya ako, lagi kong reason is busy. Ang ginagawa, wala akong time. But then when I went to Korea for my Korean language training program, I realized na it's very important to have a healthy life and do exercise. Why? Because when I arrived there, talagang nag-struggle ako dun sa terrain. Dahil little by little, I realized the importance of exercise. So what I did was, I watched YouTube videos and other fitness coaches online. But the thing is, kapag ikaw lang, hindi mo alam yung proper way of executing those routines. So, bago ako mag-arrive dito, a week before, because I have roughly two weeks of vacation, I messaged Coach Jun and I told him na kailangan po ng guide. So, and I arrived here the moment na nag-start yung Monday. We started the training and tinanong niya sa akin kung ano yung mga gustong workout.
Consultation muna tayo, no? Online.
Online consultation, and then binigay niya sa akin yung mga routines na kailangan namin gawin daily. Tapos, ang maganda doon, hindi ka na titiglayin. So, your body will adjust to it and he will not give, si Coach Jun bibigay sa'yo yung workout na bukas di ka na makakalaman. Professional yung approach nito sa bagay na yan. And lastly, ang pinaka-maganda pa doon is pati yung mga kinakain mo, in-interview ka niya. So, overall, and the therapy massage, and the the pulling down, yung mga pinapagawa ng yoga and everything, very, highly recommended talaga. So, thank you, Coach Jun, and I hope those who are watching this video, magpa-train na kayo. Yan, si Coach Jun.